Do you know how a solid wood board is made? First, the entire piece of wood is cut into individual wood strips. Next, the cut strips are neatly arranged and adhesive is applied uniformly. Then, the adhesive-coated strips are fed into a splicing machine to be assembled together. Finally, the fully spliced panel is cut to the pre-designed dimensions. And a beautiful pine board is ready.